Hero in Training by Cynthia Platt. Kodi was reading comic books about superheroes. The heroes all sounded brave and thoughtful and strong. "I want to be a hero too," Kodi said. "But how can I become one?" "I'll have to learn how to fly," said Kodi. There was only one friend Kodi knew who could fly. "Peck, I need you to teach me how to fly," she said. "That sounds like a fun idea," Peck replied. "Let's do it." "First, you need to flap your wings," Peck said. Kodi tried, but her arms did not take her up in the air. "Jump off this bench and try," Peck told her. There was no way Kodi could fly, though. "Are there other things heroes can do?" Peck asked. "Yes," said Kodi. "They can lift heavy things." Kodi tried to lift a huge rock, but it was too heavy. "Maybe I should try to squeeze into a tight space," said Kodi. "One of the heroes in my comics did that." "I think you'll be good at that one," Peck told her. Sadly, Peck was wrong. "I know," Kodi exclaimed. "I'll transform into my secret identity." Heroes all have those. Kodi came back with a disguise. "Hi, Kodi," Peck said. "You know who I am?" Kodi asked. "Of course," replied Peck. "Maybe I need a mask and cape," Kodi said. "I have both of those in my room," Peck told her. So Kodi put on a mask and cape. "I look like a hero," Kodi said, "but I haven't done anything heroic." "Could you help me tie this?" asked Peck. "Tying this cape on is tough." Kodi tied the cape and helped Peck put on his mask. "Thanks," said Peck. "You're my hero." "Your hero?" Kodi replied. "I finally did it." Wild Ride by Cynthia Platt. Rhea got a wooden train set for her birthday. "I can't wait to set it up," she said. So she got to work, and soon her train was wandering around the track. It even whistled when it came back into the station. Later that day, Sandy came over to visit. "Your train is cool," Sandy told her. "Want to make a new route together?" "One that weaves through danger and whips around?" Rhea asked. "Yes," said Sandy. "Let's do it." "First, the train needs to go up this hill," Rhea said. Sandy thought about it. "Then it can go through these woods," she replied. Their new train route wound through the forest. "Do you think the train will pass wild animals?" asked Sandy. "I bet there will be a wolf and some horses that whinny," Rhea told her. "And a warthog with huge tusks," Sandy added. The train wove through the animals. "Wow," said Sandy. "Look at this dangerous bridge. There's white water and even a whirlpool," Rhea replied. The stakes were high. Rhea and Sandy hoped their train would make it. The train wobbled. It hung on the edge of the track, and then crash! "Oh no," Sandy said. "The train went into the water," said Rhea. "What will happen to it now?" asked Sandy. "Well, it got wet, that's for sure," Rhea answered. The two friends laughed as they picked up the train. "There's only one way to handle a train wreck," said Sandy. "We start all over again," Rhea said.